Try Mariso. That's what we say now. Nobody in the score. They say boom boom cloud. Counter. Yeah. So this is Portmore United versus Buffalo. We're at the Spanish Town Prison Oval. 0-0 in the 60th minute. We have an attack by Portmore. No. Aberview control it, trying to press for a goal. Portmore defending, they play. Speculative shot by Aberview. Very poor proceedings. We see Aberview in the yellow, Portmore in the white. Commentary brought to you by Moods That Me Say. We're in the Spanish Town Prison Oval. It's in the second half. It's a 0-0 affair. Not so bright. This is a very slow pace. There must be a change coming on. Off goes Aberview player for some instructions, and a change will be made.
Still no goals yet, so if you're just joining us, welcome. The only 2 yellow cards of the match was issued to the Harborview team. One unofficially in the first minute of play to number 27, Rashawn Mackison, and the second to number 20, Mark Alves. That unofficially in the 56th minute of play.
So the stands. First class, first world. There must be a change over there. I can't make that out. I'm going to use my zoom. Number 29 coming. Oh, sorry, number 24 coming off. Coming on shortly is number 7 of Aberview. If you're just joining us, this is Moods That Me Say. And we are in the Spanish Town Prison Oval for this one. Portmore versus Aberview. Live commentary brought to you by our sponsors, Water. Yeah, that's our sponsors, Water. We don't have any sponsors, so we're getting free ads. A ball played around the left flank. Trying to attack, but it is repelled by the Aberview team. Here comes Portmore again through the number 20. Good ball. And it will be shepherded away by number 6, who turns smartly down the flank. Controlled by the number 7. Interrupted by the number 7. What a tackle, and you can see that salad gone. It's viral. That salad has gone viral, oh my God. Who got that salad? It's the number 7, he's very wild, he just came on. Hopefully we'll give you an update when the match is done, but this is all we have paid for. For more coverage, stay tuned to Moods That Me Say.